Assalamu alaikum grade 3. Hopefully you are all fine. So today we are going to start our fourth lesson and this is our 16th lecture. So let's start lesson number 4, uses of plants. So in the previous chapter we have studied how plants make their food and how other animals and other different organisms get their food from them. So let's see what are the uses of plants. So humans depend on plants for food and oxygen. So what we take from them? We take food and oxygen from plants. So humans use plants for decoration, medicine and clothing. So how do we use plants for decoration? As we see that we all have lawns in our homes. We have lawns in our homes and we use फ्लावर्स टू कीप देम इन आवर होम्स, इन वाज, जैसे आप गुलदान में सजाते हैं फूलों को, और इसके अलावा डेकोरेशंस करते हैं आप घर की मुख्तलिफ जगहों पे आप लगाते हैं फूलों को. सो दीज आर द डेकोरेशंस दैट यू डन इन होम्स बाय यूजिंग प्लांट्स. सो यू यूज इट इन मेडिसिन ऑल्सो, लाइक सम मेडिसिन्स you use are aspirin, you take green tea and some others for nutritional purposes. So you use them for medicine as well. In clothing we use cotton to make cloth. So this is how we use them in making clothes. So there are some other purposes also. Let's see how lives depend on them. Our life is mainly depend on plants. हम plants से बहुत सारी चीज़ें obtain करते हैं. We get wood from them, we get plants, we get food, we get fruits and vegetables from them. So these are different things that we got from plants. So let's see how the food is obtained from plants. So let's see, you may have seen you eat bread and butter in your breakfast. So where do the bread comes from? Have you ever think about it? आपने कभी सोचा है कि आप जो खाना खाते हैं तो वो कहाँ से आता है? The bread we eat. So actually the bread we eat is made from wheat. Wheat जो होती है ये क्रॉप है एक, इसकी हार्वेस्टिंग करते हैं, इसकी ग्राइंडिंग करते हैं और ग्राइंडिंग के बाद जो मटेरियल हमारे पास आता है उसको फिर हम बेक करते हैं तो हमारे पास ब्रेड आ जाती है. सो एक्चुअली द ब्रेड इज़ मेड ऑफ wheat. Wheat is also a plant. So this is how the plants are used in making food. We eat different kinds of nuts, that are walnuts, we eat almonds and pistachios. So all these nuts are obtained from plants. So these are also plants. So many herbivores are plant eating animals. Birds and insects rely on plants for their food. So birds also eat plants, insects also eat plants. So all of these organisms are dependent on plants. ये plants पे depend करते हैं for their food. So let's see if there is little light, how plants can grow in that kind of condition. So here is our one question, how some plants grow in artificial light. Artificial light में plants किस तरह grow कर सकते हैं? So there is a method called greenhouse. A greenhouse is a house of glass. ये glass का बना होता है. It is used to grow plants, fruits and vegetables which cannot grow in low temperatures. So there are some plants that cannot grow in low temperatures. We need high temperatures to grow them. So therefore we use a greenhouse which is actually made of a glass. ये glass का बना होता है, शीशे का बना होता है. तो इसके अंदर मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की हम गैसेस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और इसमें लाइट ज़्यादा होती है, so that the temperature may rise. So therefore a greenhouse is used to grow some plants in artificial light. So let's see how some drinks are made from plants. So we get juices from fruits such as oranges, mangoes and grapes. These all drinks we obtain from plants. So these are also used for making drinks. So our lecture is finished. Your home task is to write the answer of this question, how some plants grow in artificial light. So this is its answer. You will write it on your notebooks So take care and Allah Hafiz.